The Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks just keep coming. If the dummy unit photos weren't enough to stir excitement, we've now got a hands-on video that might show a working device. And honestly, it's got a completely different vibe from the S24 Ultra. Rounded corners, a shiny metallic finish, and a lot of design questions already buzzing. There's a lot to break down. Let's get into it. This video popped up on Reddit with the title, S24 Ultra, definitely. But what we're seeing fits all the rumored details about the S25 Ultra. The rounded corners, for starters, line up perfectly with earlier leaks, and it's not just speculation. Big names in the leak world like Ice Universe and at Chunvin 8888 have jumped in, claiming this is the real thing. What's especially interesting is the shift from the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra to this more rounded look. The design seems to flow with Samsung's rumored One UI 7 update, which leans heavily on softer, rounded visuals. On the back, we've got Samsung's classic camera setup. It remains largely consistent with previous leaks. But we have a question. Are we looking at a prototype or something closer to the final version? You be the judge. The clip doesn't give away too much, no big UI reveals or detailed features, but with a January launch expected, we'll likely see more leaks soon. What's your take on this design? Love it or miss the sharper edges? Let us know in the comments. Peace out.